Animals, types and adaptations. Adaptation. The modification or development of certain body parts in plants and animals which help them to adapt to their environment is termed as adaptation. The natural home of a living thing is called its habitat. Adaptation helps animals to live better in their environment. Animals have adapted in different ways to their environment. Body shape. Streamlined bodies of aquatic and aerial animals help them to steer through water and air easily. Camouflage. Camouflage is the coloration or patterns that an animal develops in order to adapt to its environment by blending with its surroundings. Chameleon and rattlesnakes are green as these animals hide in the trees and branches among the leaves. The white-colored fur of polar bears allows them to blend in their snow-colored environment and sneak up to their prey. Tooth structure. It varies in different animals depending on their food habit. The sharp canines of carnivores help them to tear and cut their prey's flesh, while in herbivores like beavers and squirrels, big incisors help them to crack nuts and gnaw through wood. Adaptive features help the animal protect, reproduce, and feed itself. Over time, these features are inherited by future generations and thus become the characteristics of the group of animals which live in a common habitat. Types of animals. Animals are invertebrates or vertebrates depending on the absence or presence of backbone in their bodies. Animals like coral, lobsters, sea cucumber, sponges, and starfish are classified as invertebrates as they do not have a backbone. Fish, amphibians, reptiles, mammals, and birds are grouped under vertebrates as they have a backbone in their bodies. Reptiles are cold-blooded animals that can control their body temperature. Some examples of reptiles are snakes, lizards, crocodiles, and turtle. Mammals have hair on their body and are warm-blooded. The young ones of mammals feed on their mother's milk. Some examples of mammals are lion, zebra, antelope, gazelle, and monkey. Amphibians and reptiles go for winter sleep as these are cold-blooded animals and cannot tolerate extreme temperatures. The tortoise is a land-dwelling reptile. Turtle, also a reptile, lives in water. Its body is adapted to marine waters. Animals, as per their characteristic features, are divided into the following types. Aquatic animals. Aquatic animals are those that live in water bodies like ponds, rivers, oceans. Their streamlined bodies, which are broad in the middle and tapering at the ends, help them swim well. Additionally, fish have fins which act as oars and help them to move faster. Breathing. Fish breathe through gills. Aquatic animals like the whale and dolphin have lungs and cannot breathe the oxygen dissolved in water but come up to the surface to breathe. Locomotion. Free swimming. Jellyfish is a free swimming animal. Jet propulsion. Jet propulsion is a method of locomotion in which force is applied by pushing a jet of water or air in the opposite direction of movement. This helps the animal to move in the desired direction. Movement of octopus and squid occurs through jet propulsion. Their tentacles help them catch prey. The tail fin of a fish helps it to change direction. Flippers and hind rudders are found in penguins and sea turtles. Whales have very strong flippers. Ducks and swans are aquatic birds with webbed feet that act as oars and help them swim. According to the Guinness World Record 2009, H. zosteri, the dwarf seahorse, is the slowest moving fish with a top speed of about 5 feet, that is 150 centimeters per hour. Some fish can move up to a speed of 65 miles per hour because they leap their way through the water. Platypus is a freshwater mammal as it has fur, breathes through lungs, and feeds its young ones. It crawls like a reptile and lays eggs. Like a duck, it has a bill and paddles its webbed feet to move in shallow water. Amphibians. Amphibians are animals that can live on land as well as in water. Their webbed feet help them swim. Amphibians breathe through their skin when they are in water and through their lungs when they are on land. Their larvae are aquatic and breathe through gills. Their eyes have a transparent membrane which protects their eyes underwater. Cutaneous breathing is the term given for breathing through the skin. Adult amphibians are carnivores and predators. They eat a variety of food including spiders, beetles, and worms. Some of them, like frogs, have long tongues with sticky ends which they flick out to catch their prey. Frogs have strong hind legs that help them to leap up to catch their prey on land. The larvae of many amphibians mostly feed on plants. Frogs can see forwards, sideways, and upwards all at the same time. Animals, types and adaptations. Aerial animals. Aerial animals are those that can fly and spend most of their time in air. Birds have bodies that are streamlined in shape, which helps them in flying. They nurture their young ones till they begin to fly. They build their nests on trees. These animals have wings with feathers which have an oily coating to keep them from getting wet, and light hollow bones that help them fly. Birds have 4 kinds of feathers. Down feathers are small and fluffy, and their function is to keep the body warm. Body feathers are bigger and placed over the down feathers. Flight feathers are on the wings and help the birds to fly. Tail feathers are long and help the birds to slow down during the flight and change direction. Birds like penguin, ostrich, emu, kiwi, and rhea are flightless birds. The bee hummingbird is the smallest living bird in the world with a length of just 5 centimeters, that is 2 inches. The ostrich is the largest bird in the world, reaching a height up to 3 feet. It lays the largest eggs. Terrestrial animals. Terrestrial animals are those that live on land and are adapted to different kinds of habitats such as tropical forests, deserts, and polar regions. Animals living in tropical forests. Animals living in forests have a prey and predator relationship. The carnivores have sharp canines. They have retractable paws that are padded so as to make minimum noise. Herbivorous animals have hooves that are strong enough to run over different terrains. Zebra has black and white striped fur. When zebras run, these stripes confuse their predators and help them escape. Arboreal animals. Chimpanzees, squirrel, and chameleon are animals that spend most or all their time on trees. These animals are called arboreal animals. They use their tails to move from tree to tree, thereby adapting to their arboreal nature. Animals living in deserts. Lizards, snakes, scorpions, and spiders that are found in deserts live under the sand in the day and hunt at night. They take water from plants, either stored water inside the plant or the dew and mist on the plant's surface. They have scales on their skin which prevent loss of water, while spiders have smaller, hairy body and comparatively longer legs. Thousands of camel spider species hunt only at night and live in hot, dry deserts where they are one of the top predators. It looks like it has 10 legs, unlike spiders who have 8. The front 2 long appendages are sensory organs and the rest 8 are legs. Camel, the ship of the desert, can drink up to 25 gallons at one time. 1 gallon is equal to 4.5 liters and 25 gallons would amount to more than 100 liters of water. Animals living in cold regions. Animals living in snow-covered areas have hair that develops into thick fur to protect them from the severe cold. Polar bears are found in cold regions. They have thick white fur. Other animals like whale, seal, walrus have a thick layer of fat called blubber under their skin to protect them from freezing water. Polar bear has fur even on its paws so that it does not feel the cold ice and water. The skin of the polar bear is black to absorb as much heat as it can. The fur that covers the skin is white. There is at least one mammal found in every kind of habitat. Land mammals, marine mammals, aerial mammals, freshwater mammals. Reproduction in animals. Reproduction is the process by which an organism produces its offspring. By this process, each generation passes on its characteristics like eye color, height, hair color, etc. to the next. This is referred to as inheritance of traits. Animals living in different habitats reproduce either by laying eggs or by directly giving birth to their young ones. Oviparous animals. Animals that lay eggs are called oviparous animals. Reptiles, amphibians, aerial and aquatic animals lay eggs. Viviparous animals. Animals that give birth directly to their young ones are called viviparous animals. Mammals give birth directly to their babies.